what's better than not working on Fridays? Nothing. I don't think anything. Am I looking at this camera right? Yeah. We're heading out to Lawrence Lake. My first trip of the year to Lawrence. It's a small lake. It's connected to another lake called Meyer. And I only really fish it in the beginning of the year. And sometimes I'll go back once the vegetation's all grown up and I'll frog it. But the only chance to really catch good sized fish is early in the year, at least for me. And then frogging. You can obviously get in some big ones. But pretty excited to go out there. And I'm pretty sure I'm going to get on a few today. Not many. I don't think they're quite grouped up yet. The water temperature is still below 50, which is not ideal. But I'm going to get confidence with this damn chatterbait. Now, I know everybody loves... There it is. Can you see it? Woo! Everybody loves the chatterbait, except me. I'm a crankbait guy, jerkbait guy. I like to flip plastics. I throw this chatterbait on. I've had them for years. I throw them on. I cast them 5 or 6 times. If I don't catch nothing, I give up on them. I'm using it today almost all day, almost exclusively. So we're going to see how that goes. And yeah, that's it. We're going to see how that goes. I'll see you at the lake. Ooh, I don't know if you've seen that. Big pike chasing it. This could be a great day. Big old pike chasing it. All right, this is going to be all right, I think. Got one finally. Got a pretty nice one. He hammered it too. That's what I'm talking about. Whoa, whoa, whoa. He barely got it. All right, that is a good start. Looks like he was in about 10 feet of water. That's definitely a keeper. That'll make a good start. I can promise you that. Make sure he's 14. Oh yeah, he's 15. So we're gonna keep some for now, just in case. All right, that's pretty cool. Got one. There we go. That's what we were looking for. That's a nice one too. Are we recording? Yep. That's a big one. It's a real big one, guys. It's a nice one. Got to boat flip him quick. Yes, sir. That is a springtime beauty right there. Oh, yeah. All right, Tony. I'll give you the chatterbait today. That's 2. Okay, guys, see there? That is a beauty right there. We're going to put him in the bin. We probably won't save him, but oh, that's 2 big ones in there. That was awesome. All right, about 6 feet of water. We gotta remember that. And the chatterbait is the key so far. This is the jackhammer. I had no luck and had no confidence on the regular $5, $6 chatterbaits. So I thought, well, if I'm gonna build confidence, let me get the good one. And well, you see what's happening. Those are big fish. Pretty excited about it. I'm gonna try to stay in the 5-6 foot range. Looks like that's the key. I'm gonna bring it right back by this whole area again. What I'm doing right now is testing my live well, just in case I ever have to fish it in a tournament. Got him. That's another one, guys. All right, I found the secret here. 6 foot of water, guys. Starting and stopping a chatterbait. That's another nice one. Can't lose him. Okay, come here. Boat flip. Yes, sir. All right, guys, we have found a little secret. That's a close to a keeper. I don't know for sure. We got to measure. Last thing I need is to get arrested or ticketed for keeping fish, and I don't even normally keep them. You got to be 14, and oh yeah, he's 15. All right. Oh no. Look at that live well. Oh man. Nothing better than fishing, folks. Just cruising. I'm in about 5 or 6 feet of water. Throwing up to 3 or 4 feet. Stopping it, starting it, you know, just like you'd fish anything. And they eat bluegill in here. And the chatterbait I'm throwing is a bluegill pattern. And I couldn't be more excited than I am right now. That's a good one. Got him. That's a really good one. That's a nice one. That's a real big one. Oh shit. Come here, buddy. There we go. That's a big one, boys. Oh, he surprised me. That's a good 3-pounder. Look at me. Hello, Shawnee. I love fishing. Look at there. Better turn yourself over, boy. How you like them apples? If you like apples, you should love those apples. Just got to be patient, folks, when you're out here bass fishing. They're not grouped up. Just got to be patient. I feel like we could pull one more off here before we switch back, but we're about to leave. Got one. That's a good one. Told you we'd get another one. I don't want to jinx myself, but that's another nice one. Real nice. Yes, sir. Boys, I am catching nothing but tanks today. Nothing but tanks. I hooked him in the bottom lip somehow. It is Tank-osaurus time. Look at this. That's a good 2-pounder. Can't stop. Just can't stop loving it. That's all I can tell you. I gotta move this shit out because I'm getting too full. I don't know what this camera's pointing at, but calm down. He's gonna hurt himself. The live well seems to be doing good. We got a nice bag here, folks. A nice one. All right, we got to get these guys out of here. It's starting to rain, so let's see what we got. There's one. Not too bad. Keeper, 15 inches. He's beating himself up pretty good. I got to let him go. Took him a second, but he swam off just fine. This guy, he's been slamming himself pretty hard. There's another one, a little bit bigger. Still skinny, but still a nice fish. Again, a little shocked, but not bad at all. Okay, I can't tell. These guys are all pretty good size. Whew. There's big old fat daddy. Bam! Probably 2.5, maybe 3. I don't know. I should weigh it, but I don't feel like it. Not big enough. Whoa! The big ones are still way more lively. All right, let's see what else we got. No edits here. Keep it rolling. The other one was bigger. That one's right at about 2 pounds. It's hard to tell when you look at their backs. Look how broad they are, and they're just now starting to feed. Hopefully I'm not too close. I can't tell. I'm a lone cameraman here. But yeah, another real nice, healthy fish. That one wasn't shocked at all. It just went. And this might be the biggest one. I can't tell. It's the same size as the other one. Oh, 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 oh. Another big, heavy girl. I think that's a girl. Big old mouth, big old body. Bam. Just beautiful. I mean, you can't say enough about it. Look here. Woo-hoo. Maybe I can still frame that and get a good picture. All right, but yeah, let's let her go. I'll show you. They're all lively. They've been in here a couple hours, but they're all nice and lively. All right, now we're gonna try to do the old underwater. So, nah, not even trying that. Never mind, change my mind. I always mess that up anyway. But let's go. Let's see this girl go away here. It is freaking raining now. I'm soaked. I gave it all I could give it. I haven't had a bite since it started raining. It was just sprinkling. Now it's pouring. So I'm done. Good day bass fishing in a small Indiana lake. If you know Lawrence Lake, you know it's tiny. It gets fished a lot. A lot of pan fishermen. And I know people have been asking, you know, I want to see some bluegill. I want to see some crappie. A couple guys said it's not my style. I don't generally pan fish. I don't like it. It bores me. But I will. I am going to do it. A couple of guys I go with are real good pan fishermen. I'll bring them with, or they'll take me, and we'll get some pan fishing footage. But bass is what I like to catch. I know it's like what everybody likes to catch, but that's what I'm going to do most of the time. But today was a pretty good day, so I don't know. Thanks for watching.
Perfect.